Hello to anyone that watches these kind of videos. Just want to tell you a little bit about what I've been doing with this 2001 Exmark Laser Z 52-inch. So I got it in over the beginning of summer, and I did a couple videos on it earlier, but not really in depth. The engine was bad, had a 23 horsepower Kawasaki. So I just went ahead and pulled that engine off and found a good deal on one at Harbor Freight. So I couldn't pass it up, put that in there, and I mowed with it most of actually all summer. And we just stopped mowing here recently, so I brought it in and I'm doing restoration on it. So first thing I did was pulled the deck off, put all new spindles, 2 stationary idlers, a new tensioner spring, and the pulley on the tensioning mechanism. The spindles were no small task getting those out of there. This is the old spindle. And the pulley. The puller that I used didn't do anything. It just destroyed this. So I had to undo the pulleys, bring the deck up a little bit, and sledgehammer, big sledgehammer. Did some painting. I was looking and I found something online that somebody had referenced to Rust-Oleum Farm and Implement International Harvester Red, which is a perfect match. And I'll show you. That caster fork is an OEM paint or whatever, I don't know. Just depends on the lighting, you can't really tell. Anyhow, had to replace one of the caster forks because it was bent. Actually, I have that right here. You see that bend in there, it's kind of going off to the right. This is what happens when you don't buy OEM parts. The first one I bought was this one. It had the right part number and everything on there, but and the angle of this is different. So when I put it on that side, it jacked the other side up about an inch. So I had to spend another $100 and get an OEM part. Spent a lot of time scrubbing on the fuel tanks. They look pretty good now. Waiting on a seat and new knobs and stuff. What else? Oh, made my own easy chute. So, still a couple other things to do. It's not perfect, but we'll get her going soon enough.